Let's talk about Honeygain, one of those websites that gives you the opportunity to earn passive income online. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step some Honeygain tricks with a beginner Honeygain tutorial that is going to help you to make this type of money here. Okay, this $175 was sent to me by Honeygain, and if you stick to the end of this video, you're going to be at the point where you can be making this type of money from Honeygain. Alright, and you're going to understand how I was able to do it also. So what I'm asking of you is to pay a good attention to this video so that you don't miss out on any step. Alright, and if you use the link in the description of this video, your account is going to be credited with $5 sign up bonus. Alright, and if you are from Africa, America, Asia, Europe, Oceania, no matter where you are in the world, you can still get started from Honeygain and start making money right away, guys. Alright, so your location is not going to be a barrier, your location is not going to be anything that's going to hold you back. Okay, and all the method that I'm going to be showing you in this video that's going to make you to make over $100, it's not going to require any money to get started. Alright, you don't need any investment to get started. Everything that I'm going to walk you through today is going to be free and it's going to be a beginner guide. And all that you're going to need to start making money from Honeygain is either a laptop or a smartphone. Alright, if you got a laptop, you are good to go. If you got a little smartphone, you are good to go. And also you're going to need a good access to the internet. And now you might be still wondering how Honeygain works. Let me explain to you in 5 simple steps. Alright, Honeygain is a software or a mobile app that can be installed on your phone or even on your laptop. And once you install it on your phone and you let it run, Honeygain securely share your internet connection while not gaining access to your personal data. And once they done that, Honeygain uses your internet connection to gather a bit of information that could be publicly available online. This your unused data that you just share with Honeygain. Honeygain will set this your unused data to some credible companies. Alright, and this credible company are going to use this your internet that you share for some data or web analysis or even price comparison. Okay, and at the end you're going to get paid for sharing this your unused internet connection. That's basically how it works. Alright, now that you know how Honeygain works, what you need to do next is to go ahead and install it on your laptop. Alright, once you come here, click on this button that says download for Windows, then it's going to start downloading right away. Okay, and if you use your phone to log in, you're going to have a place where you're going to download it rightly into your phone also. Alright, and once it has been downloaded, what you need to do is to install it on your laptop. Alright, and you're going to follow all the necessary information that you need to do, just like every other software. Okay, you're going to follow the same procedure and make everything as it should be. Now it is installing. Alright, and once it has been installed, you're going to have this message to accept the terms of use. Alright, just click on it, then you're going to have this tutorial right here. Just skip the introduction, then you're going to have to create your account. Alright, but if you click the link on the description of this video, like I said in the video, they're going to give you $5 bonus. Alright, for signing up. If you sign up through that process already, once you come to this place, what you need to do is just to put in your email right here and just log in. Okay, if you haven't created your account yet, what you need to do is to click on this button that says sign up. Alright, then it's still the same thing. You're going to put in your email and create a specific password. Alright, but if you're not sure of that, if you don't want to log in that way, you can either come to the home page like this and just click on this button and say go to dashboard. Alright, when you click on it, it's going to take you to this page. You can see right here it says $5 will be added to your account. Alright, so here you can put in your email, create a password and just sign up, or you can just go ahead and sign up with Google. That would be so fast. Alright, and once you done that, you're going to be on the home page just like this. Okay, you can see the $5 is right here into your account. Okay, that's your welcome bonus. And now once everything is set up like this, the first way for you to maximize your earning is for you to install it on your mobile phone also. Okay, but you're going to install it as many as devices that you have. Alright, the more devices you have, the more you're going to be making at the end. And there are basically 2 good ways that you can use to make over $100 from Honeygain. Alright, then I'm going to walk you through with the first method and the second method. Alright, so what I need to do is to pay good attention to everything. Don't skip any part of the video. Alright, once you come to the home page like this, you're going to see that the more devices that you have result to more money that you're going to be making. Okay, if you have it installed on about 10 devices, and at the end of the month you're going to be making over $181 from Honeygain. Alright, with just 4 hours of content delivery. The more devices you have, the more money you're going to be making at the end of the month. This one is one of the most easy way to do it, and is basically for people who have more devices. But if you don't have more devices, let's assume you have just a phone or just a single laptop, then still stick around to the video because this very part is for you. Alright, before we go further into the video, let me quickly introduce myself. If it is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Wilson. On this channel we talk about different ways and different strategies that you can use to stay at the comfort comfort of your home and still make money online. And it can either be CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, passive income website, or any other legit website that gives the opportunity to stay at home and make money online. And if all this that I just said interests you and you want to be part of the family, you can subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload a new video like this on how to stay at home and make money online, you're gonna be the first person to be notified and be the first person to watch the video. Okay, and if you are finding this video to be helpful and informative so far, please do give me a thumbs up so that the YouTube algorithm will push this video out to more people who are looking for ways to make money online. Now, the very last method that we're going to be using, which is my favorite, and it was that same method that I used to make over $150 from Honeygain. Alright, if you come to my other account right here, my old account, you'll see that I have over 5,000 referrals, and at the end they have earned over 150 Honeygain. Okay, but there is another important thing that I need to talk in this video. I feel like you need to know this because it has actually happened to me and it got my account wiped out. If you don't share your internet connection, that is, you don't stay active for the past 6 months, they are going to get your account wiped out. They are not going to block you, they are going to seize your money. The same thing has happened to my other account. I didn't log in for the past 6 months, so I feel you should know this. It's a passive income, but you should once in a while try to log in. Alright, because if you stay off for at least 6 months, they are going to get your account wiped out. They are going to freeze all your earnings, then you're going to start from beginning again. The same thing has happened to me and I feel like you should know it also. Alright, since they are going to be paying us 10% of our referrals earning, we are going to this website that is going to be giving us all these people that we can turn into referrals. Alright, now the website that we are going to be using is called SlideShare. If you go to SlideShare and you type like make money online, you will see many posts based on make money online right here. And if you click on this post right here, you're gonna see what it is made up of. So we are going to be replicating the same thing. We are going to be doing the same thing right here. Alright, what you need to do is to come to Google document. Then you're gonna compose a little text that should be convincing. And once you done that, you're gonna paste your referral link right here. And once you done that, come to file and you have it download as PDF. Once you download it as PDF, you have to return to this SlideShare again. Then you're going to upload your own photo. Once you drop it here, you're going to have the option to name it. When you upload the PDF, people are going to be coming here and be downloading it, right? And once they are downloading, there's your PDF file, just like all this one. Most of all these are PDF. When they download it, and they must have seen where you put your link, you're going to write something like, you're going to try to be creative and write something like, this app is going to give you $5 to sign up, and that's not all. It's going to make you to make passive income online freely. I just say this for you to have a blueprint, alright? Obviously, this is not what you are going to write, alright? Just try to be creative. And if people say that is somehow convincing, they are going to be testing it out. When those people are seeing your link, they're going to try to create an account and have their account, because immediately they click your link, they're going to say sign up with $5. So with that already, is going to trigger their mind to even go deeper into the app. If you check this post right here, you see that it has gotten over 1 million views. If you have just 1% of this as referrals, you are okay. Obviously, all these million views all are not going to sign up, but if you have just 1% of this million view, 9 million view, you're going to be making more money from Honeygain. Alright, so that was how I was able to make over $150 from Honeygain. So if you watch this video to this point and you feel like you are not so convinced, you don't want to use this Honeygain to make money, this video right here, this website right here is going to show you different ways and different strategies that you can use to make more money online. Right, make sure you do check it out. See you next time with another video again like this on how to stay at home and make money online. Cheers, peace out.